Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, clickgatget. Here, you'll discover the latest and coolest gadgets, honest tech reviews, unboxings, and smart tips to make your digital life easier.
The best cordless vacuum packing machine reviews. Inkbird INK VS06 cordless vacuum sealer delivers fast, reliable food preservation with one-touch operation. Multifunctional modes handle dry, moist, and delicate foods. Built-in roll storage and cutter ensure clean custom bags. Compact, rechargeable design keeps kitchens tidy and extends freshness effortlessly. Perfect for meal prep and sous vide.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more great content.